Welcome to the new and improved Northern Credit Union.
Over the next few minutes, I'll be your guide to all things True North Strong. From providing better financial solutions to all of our members, to learning how to start a fire while wrestling a bear. Time permitting. Thanks to our new banking platform and tools like Seaview, we've never been better equipped to help our members do more with their money. But as great as this stuff is, True North Strong is all about you. It's about going that extra mile for our members and doing our part to strengthen our communities. When all is said and done, it's about pulling up our sleeves and becoming the one true financial institution of the North. Because bank is a four-letter word, and Northern Credit Union is, well, it's many more letters than that. The key word here is more. First off, we're looking for more members, Northerners in their 30s and 40s, who stand to benefit the most from our financial education and community involvement, as well as our personal commitment to their well-being. Unlike joining a bank, we want our neighbors to view belonging to Northern Credit Union as an act of patriotism, a place where the decisions and dollars are kept local and the wealth is always shared. Now, we're not suggesting that a life without Northern Credit Union makes you less Northern somehow. We're insisting it does. Second, we want to do more for the members we have. In return, we want to earn more of their business.
Right now, many of our members have just one product with Northern, when we could be helping them in many other ways. Waiting for them to come to us is a losing game. We need to start asking for more of our members' business today, and we need to prove that we deserve their business every day.
Aside from getting more members and earning more business, it's also up to all of us to deliver on our promises and help our members do more in every sense of the word.
Because that's what True North Strong is really all about. Taking every opportunity to make sure our members feel valued, cared for, part of something truly Northern. The message behind our new Northern brand is a simple one. If it's not Northern, it's not for you. This is an entirely new way of thinking about ourselves, and it can be summed up by 4 key traits. Northern Credit Union acts like a leader. Over the years, we've gotten by without sticking our necks out too far. We've sat somewhere between the banks and a few other credit unions, always content to fly with the flock. We'll sharpen up those beaks, my friends, because if we're going to become the one true financial institution of the North, we're going to have to start acting like a leader. And we're going to have to start kicking some serious goose-hining. Northern Credit Union is confident in its own quality.
Across every department of Northern Credit Union, we've made our consistency of service a huge priority.
It's the difference between being confident and overconfident. The inspiration behind everything from sales standardization and the future look of our branches to the way we serve our members and advertise ourselves.
Now, more than ever, it's up to all of us to put our money where our mouths are and prove that Northern is a better place to be. Northern Credit Union doesn't fear change. It is the change. Change isn't always easy, but as hard as change often is, we can't think of a single successful brand that hasn't embraced it. Simply put, this train isn't stopping anytime soon. And our brand of change isn't just about technology either. It's about finding new ways to put more dollars to work in Northern Ontario and developing a new attitude about how you bank and who you bank with. So when we say change is good, we honestly mean it. Northern Credit Union is approachable and lighthearted. In the past, Northern's image was a bit stuffy, maybe a little boring even. Truth is, we don't have to sacrifice our professionalism to poke a little fun at ourselves or of the many unique quirks of life here in the North. Because so long as we're approaching our neighbors with positivity, intelligence, and a willingness to tell it like it is, a little fun never hurt anybody. With the launch of True North Strong, Northern Credit Union's advertising has taken a lighthearted, yet undeniably proud approach that's confident to the point of comedy. Take me, for example. I'm all of those things. Plus, I really needed this acting gig because I don't have any other marketable skills. So where do we go from here? And what can we do to ensure that we are the True North Strong credit union we claim to be? Well, we could start by consistently doing more for every one of our members, every day, every time, without fail.
That means every member who walks through that door is greeted within 60 seconds. We use our members' names and every transaction is acknowledged with a thank you every time we see them.
It's about the little things. Like working to ensure our members wait in line no more than 5 minutes, or working to resolve any issues that may come up within 24 hours after the first point of contact. We'll dress professionally, start our appointments on time, and answer 80% of our phone calls live. Whatever it takes to make our members feel valued and respected. Yes, that's too large pepperoni. When our members walk up to the counter, you'll have the tools you need to do more for them. From small adjustments to save them a few dollars, to some new products that may help them save thousands in the long run. Knowing our products inside and out, we'll get proactive instead of reactive, pairing the needs of our members with products and services tailored to meet their goals. In the future, Northern Credit Union will be the place you go to do all your banking, not just some. There will be flying cars. Robots will make us dinner. Yours truly? Well, I'll win an Oscar for best spokesperson for a credit union ever. Told you. One thing's for sure, wherever True North Strong takes us, we'll get there together.
Welcome to the new and improved Northern Credit Union. Let's get to work. I'm not still wrestling a bear, am I? Seriously?